Patch is a big idea that started small. The goal? To put a plant in every office and make our work environment just that little bit nicer. But businesses, like plants, grow at different speeds, and not always predictably. Patch grew fast. More customers, more revenue, and above all, more data. They quickly outgrew their existing environment. This growth was driven by data, new channels, new streams, new potential insights, but where to put it all and how to interpret it. Snowflake's platform grows with your data. We provided Patch with all the space they needed to flourish. We gave them reliability, zero maintenance, infinite scalability, and the chance to really understand their customers, both today and tomorrow. And in return, they're making your environment a happier place to be.